Today I'm making loaded potato soup. Basically fake potato soup is what we got going on here. We've been sick the last few days and I just want some soup. And I can't have normal carb-filled soup, so I'm going to make my own. Got 3 tablespoons of melted butter in this stock pot. I'm adding in, this is about 1/4 of a red onion. The recipe calls for a white onion, but I don't have a white onion, so we're going to do red onion. But it's just about 1/4 of that onion. It's a big onion. We're going to saute that. It says 2 cloves of garlic. I've got one of these big elephant cloves. So we are going to mince this. Don't think you can have too much garlic, especially when you're sick. We're going to saute that together until it's nice and tender. I'm not sure if this pot's going to be big enough, but we're going to try. If not, I'll just transfer everything over to the Dutch oven. So these are soft and sauteed together. Next, it says to add a bag of frozen cauliflower. It says a 16 ounce. This is a 12 ounce. But I've got another bag. I'll add a little bit of it. Okay, and then you want to add 2 cups of vegetable broth. I don't have vegetable broth, so we're going to use chicken broth. Probably tastes better with chicken broth anyway. Yeah, this pot will probably work. I usually like to have more room to stir things around, but get all this mixed together. I'm also going to add a little lemon juice to this. Doesn't call for it, but I read that lemon juice kind of neutralizes the broccoli. I keep calling it broccoli. I've read that lemon juice kind of neutralizes the cauliflower flavor. So I'm just going to try it here and see what happens. Probably have a lemony soup. It's boiling, so I'm going to turn the heat down from high to about number 4, a little below medium, and we're going to let it simmer for about 15 minutes. This is what it looks like in the cookbook. We'll see what mine looks like compared to the cookbook. But it has 6.2 grams of net carbs, 560 calories, 44.6 grams of fat, so there's a lot of fat in this. 30.8 grams of protein, a lot of protein too, so it ought to fill us up. 9.4 grams of carbs and 3.2 grams of fiber. I'm not sure if Steve's going to eat it. I think his cauliflower days are gone. We'll see. Okay, cauliflower feels tender. So we're going to add 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. Turn the heat down on low. We're going to add 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. And we're going to leave enough. There should be 2 cups plus a little extra to garnish it with. Okay, we're going to just stir all this together until it's melted. You want to salt and pepper it to taste. We're going to top it with bacon and cheese. I'm going to go ahead and add a little salt and pepper to it, but I'll probably add a little more when I get it in my bowl and taste it. I hope this is edible because I don't like wasted ingredients. Alright, this is it with some cheese and bacon on it. Now we're going to go taste it. Okay, so I'm going to try this because I'm pretty sure Steve's not. Is that a correct assessment, Steve?
Mm-hmm.
It's not bad. Let me add some pepper. A tad bit of salt. I like a lot of pepper. I know, Carla. That's how I feel today, too. All right, let's try some cauliflower in a... Okay, so when I was reviewing this soup, my phone quit the other day. And what I did is I ended up blending the soup in a blender to make it smooth. Because I was having problems getting food down because of the drainage in my throat and sore throat, esophagus problems, things like that. So anyway, this tastes like potato soup. In my opinion, it tastes like potato soup. When it's like this, you don't have that cauliflower texture, and it tastes really good. If you like the cauliflower texture, leave it like it was. It tastes good just like that too. I would have kept it like that if I didn't have some of these other problems going on right now while I'm sick. But after I blended it, I just like it better. I like the smoothness of the soup. This is definitely a do again soup. I will be making this again. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a blessed week.